Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 196. I understand the significance of a nominal consideration which is given for the purpose of avoiding paying ad valorem stamp duty, a deed of transfer, a negotiable instrument, and a negotiable security, among which last English government securities take a premier place. A form of indemnity is used in connection with the loss of documents and in other matters, sometimes to write on a check, refer to drawer, and occasionally a check is not honored without the written authority of the drawer or the advice to cancel the received. I have to pay particular attention to a negotiable check. Without the clearing house, the London clearing bankers would be unable to cope with the huge number of checks which pass daily through their banks, the daily average being about 50 million pounds. The amount of labor, both physical and mental, represented by this vast sum is indeed wonderful. There are four clearings each day: metropolitan town, morning, country town, afternoon, at each of which the respective checks are cleared. The busiest days are the 4th of the month when so many bills are payable and the stock exchange settlement days. Full stop.